Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C++ programming. So in this tutorial we're going to be learning some operators which I should have explained in the previous tutorial, but I haven't. That's why I made this tutorial to explain them. Alright. So in this tutorial we're going to be learning about the modulus operator, which is used to get the remainder of a division operation, and then we're going to learn some shorthand operators which are commonly used in programming. For example, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, divide equal to, then mod equal to. Alright, let's begin. So first we're going to learn about this modulus operator. So this modulus operator is used to get the remainder of a division operation. So the operator is this percentage symbol. So when we use this modulus operator, we get the remainder. So let's see how to use it in our program. So just for the demonstration purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two variables, which is of type integers, and I'm going to call it as num1, and I'm going to initialize this one to a value of 20, and then I'm going to create another variable called num2, and I'm going to initialize this to a value of 10. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to use this modulus operator and print out the remainder value which is received from that operation. So I'm going to use a cout. Then we need to do the modulus operator, which is num1 mod num2. So that's it. I'm gonna save this program, go to build and run. You guys can see here the result is 0, and if I change this value, for example, let's say this one to a value of 3, then if I build and run this, you guys can see here the value is 2. So when we use this modulus operator with this num1 and num2, what's going to happen is it's going to do num1 divided by num2, and there will be some values here, and whatever value we get the remainder here will be obtained from this operation. Here what happens is 20 by 3, so 6, it's going to be 18 here, and the remainder is 2. So this is how you guys can use the modulus operator. Alright, the next thing is about some shorthands which are very normally used in programming, and they are the plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, divide equal to, and modulus equal to. So which is nothing but, let's say here in this operation we want to add num1 plus num2, and we want to store the result in num1. So what we can do is num1 equal to num1 plus num2. So this is what we can write to get num1 plus num2 and to store that one in our num1. So if we use this shorthand operator plus equal to, then what we can write is num1 plus equal to num2. So it's gonna reduce some typing time. So we can say that this num1 plus equal to num2 is equal to num1 equal to num1 plus num2. Alright, so just to demonstrate it, I'm gonna print out the value, and I'm gonna remove the previous statement, and it's gonna be cout num1. I'm gonna save this, build and run. Alright, 23. And similarly, if we use this minus equal to, then it's gonna be num1 equal to num1 minus num2. Build and run, 17. And similarly for multiplication, num1 star equal to num2. Build it, save it, build and run, 60. And similarly for division, so it's gonna be num1 equal to num1 divide by num2, and build and run this, we're gonna get the value of 6. And similarly mod equal to, so which is nothing but num1 equal to num1 mod num2. So the num1 is going to contain the value of 2 after this operation. I'm going to build and run this. Alright, this is it. So this is it, guys. This is about the modulus and some shorthands which are normally used in programming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any doubt, don't hesitate to put a comment in the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.